Ordering in a cafe. Beginner Level 1. Lesson 10. Learn English with Deep. Does this food look good? What are the words? Water, coffee, orange juice, fruit, chocolate cake, potato chips, bottle of water, cup of coffee, glass of orange juice, bowl of fruit, piece of chocolate cake, bag of potato chips. Tell the waiter what you want. Fill in the gaps. Hello, can I help you?
I would like a cup of coffee, please.
Okay, there you go. Would you like something else?
Yes, I'd like a bottle of water, please.
Anything else? Some dessert?
Yes, a piece of chocolate cake, please. How much is that?
$6, please.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Order food and drink from a restaurant, cafe.
Hello, can I help you?
I'd like 2 glasses of orange juice, please.
Okay, would you like anything else?
Yes, I'd like 2 bags of potato chips, please.
Anything else?
Yes, a bowl of fruit, please. How much is that?
$10, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.